So today is our last day here on the Disney Adventure. Ngayon namin kakainin. So this is cheesecake. If ayaw nyo magbayad, yun yung next best thing.
I love your thingamabob.
Thank you! Sarap ng cheese na to. Ito yung pinakamasarap na waffle dito. Look guys, bigay ng state room host namin.
Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks.
Good morning guys! Welcome back to our channel. So today is our last day here on the Disney Adventure. It's our last full day. We decided to have room breakfast. So pakita ko sa inyo kung anong in-order ni Paul for breakfast. So ito yung galing sa continental breakfast. So we got cereal, we got Danish, we got hot chocolate, tsaka fruits. And, meron din, ano to? May whole milk.
Milk, tsaka chocolate milk.
Okay. And then, kagabi, since ito, hanggang anong oras to?
Basta 2 a.m. yan din nila.
So, ito kasi hindi siya available sa breakfast. 11 a.m. onwards lang siya available. So, ang ginawa ni Paul, order siya kagabi para may makain, para may ngayon namin kakainin. So, this is cheesecake. This is,
All hands on deck.
All hands on deck. Chocolate
Chocolate
cake. Chocolate truffle. Ano to? Pasta.
Bolognese, penne.
Penne bolognese daw. Baka sa palamig na
Wonton.
malamig na yung wonton. Yung salmon, chicken fingers. So yun, dito kami kakain kasi gusto ni Paul ma-experience yung room service. Kasi hindi pa namin na-experience. So, I don't know, like, itong 3-night sailing is super bitin. Feeling namin ang dami pa namin hindi nagagawa. Kahit na madalas naman kaming lumalabas, parang kulang sa time. So, if you can swing for 4 nights, gawin nyo. Much better yung 4 nights. Like, hindi lang kami pinalad. 7 nights kami dapat para by now dapat relax na kami. Pero yun nga, it's very unfortunate na na-cancel yung first leg namin. But anyway, this is still fun. Okay, so habang kumakain kami, pag-usapan natin yung mga learnings and observations dito sa Disney Adventure. Like, the most important thing would be the character experiences and attractions. So, hindi siya pila. You have to book in advance. Especially kay Mickey, Minnie, Baymax, Goofy, Duffy, and Shelly May. Like, sila yung mga, dito sa sailing namin, meet and greets with these characters requires booking. So, kailangan mo magpa-reserve. And the problem with the reservation is sobrang hirap niyang makuha.
Ang bilis niya mawala. Like, makala mo, makikita mo yung available siya doon, yung meet and greet. Pag-click mo to book it, error na. Tapos pagbalik mo, wala na pala.
Oo. So, hindi, like, if you are, like, if importante sa inyo ang character meet and greets, make sure you have to, like, stay glued to your phone. So, basically, they release slots every day between 4 to 5 p.m. 4:30 to 5:30 actually. 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Make sure na naka-login kayo online, like bantay, like refresh. Hindi katulad sa ibang Disney ships na pipila ka lang. Kung gusto mo to make sure na abutan ka ng pila, pipila ka na maaga. Like kung 12 o'clock yung meet and greet, 30 minutes before, nakapila ka na. Kasi sinasara na nila yung line at some point kasi para hindi siya humaba ng sobra. So, if it matters to you, make sure na check the app all the time. Like, keep refreshing. And ang mabibigay kong tip is once na mag-drop yung hours, like once na mag-drop yung meet and greets, as may makita kang mga time slots, pick a time na nasa may gitna or bandang dulo. Kasi like, lalabas yung mga time 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, may mga. Huwag mong piliin yung unang-unang lumalabas na time. Most people would select that. So, parang you end up not getting it kasi may naunang nag-click sa'yo. So, ang ginagawa ko, nagpo-fast forward ako. Sinascroll ko agad sa may bandang gitna or bandang dulo to make sure na makuha ko yun. Kasi like, takes like a couple of seconds bago siya mabook eh. So, nung una kasi, nung nag-try ako nung kay Mickey, una yung kiniklik ko, yung unang 9 a.m. Tapos parang like, no, yeah, this is already booked. Sabi ko, shit, bago ako maubusan. Pinuntahan ko na talaga yung bandang gitna. So, nakabook kami ng 11 o'clock today. So, yun yung advice ko. Make sure to stay glued to your phone. As of this time, it gets released 4:30 to 5:30. Hindi ko alam kung magbabago yun. Pero ask guest services kasi they will tell you kung ano oras yung dinadrop para safe. Second tip that I will tell you is to join the WhatsApp group. So, yung WhatsApp group, nandun lahat ng mga guests. Nagtutulungan din, in fairness naman, nagtutulungan. Parang Minnie Mouse meet and greet, just drop. Available now, like book yours, ganyan. So, nagtutulungan. So, para may notification ka na may available, join ko sa WhatsApp group kasi dun mo rin malalaman kapag merong, halimbawa, I just saw Donald Duck wandering around like deck 7, midship, ganyan. So, kung importante sa inyo yung mga character meet and greets, join that kasi like, lahat ng mga character sightings, chika nila dun. So, yun yung naging helpful sa mga kakilala namin dito na importante sa kanila yung meet and greets. Kami, not much. Although we really wanna see Mickey, Minnie, and Baymax. So, thankfully, I was able to book that for today. Yesterday ko siya ginawa. Nakabook ako for today on our last day. Kasi nga talagang nagbantay ako sa phone. Talagang ang bilis ko mag-refresh hanggang sa lumabas siya. So, yun. Talagang, yun yung hindi ko masyadong bet. Kasi, the amount of time that you spend being glued to your phone, refreshing things, will be similarly the same time ng pagpila mo. At least yun sigurado ka, walang stress, alam mo yun. Anyway, there is that. Second thing that I wanna share is the garden stage view dito sa room. So, if budget can afford it, this is a very comfortable way to watch the stage shows. So, yung mga stage shows nila dito, number 1 is the Let's Set Sail Party. So, 3 times yung pinapalabas yun. So, watching at the comfort of your balcony. Sobrang convenient. And, yung init kasi, ang init kasi sa baba talaga. So, parang nung first sailing namin kasi ocean view kami, di ba? So, kailangan namin bumaba para manood ng Let's Set Sail. Like 30-45 minutes before, may queue na nakapwesto na yung mga tao sa harapan. Talagang magbibilad ka talaga sa initan kung gusto mo ng magandang pwesto. So, if kaya ng budget, get the garden stage view. It's a very comfortable way to watch the stage shows. Try and book 11th or 12th floor. Parang feeling ko anything above, medyo malayo na. Also, nasa room 1269 kami. 12679, which is pangalawa from the stage. Hindi ko mare-recommend yung super lapit sa stage unless you're on the 11th floor. Kasi kitang-kita mo yung stage agad. Pero kung nasa 12 pataas ka, tapos nagbuka ng katabing-katabi ng stage, mapapanood mo yung shows pero nasa gilid. Alam mo yung gilid na gilid. Yung angle medyo off. So I would suggest moving towards at the back ng konti. Siguro mga 3 to 5 rooms after. Para yung angle medyo kita mo yung, alam mo yun, hindi yung buong stage, hindi ka nakagilid. Kaya nag-move ako ng isa eh. Originally, dapat nandun kami sa pinakatabi. Sabi ko, teka lang, parang feeling ko medyo off yung angle pag pinanood namin. So, good thing, nagpalit kami. And it's a lot better. Ano pa ba? About the stage.
Hindi na maingay-ingay.
Hindi mo maingay.
Perfect yung door nila. Diba? Parang, isa sa worries namin is baka, kasi may mga parties during the day. Minsan balik kami sa stateroom para magpahinga. Worry namin baka maingay, pero hindi. Talagang, meron ka maririnig na konting sound. Pero, perfect yung yung soundproofing nila sa door. Maano mo yung difference eh. Kasi pag sinara mo, tapos dahan-dahan mong nilock yung knob, biglang nawawala yung sound. So, perfect siya.
Never bothered us at all. So, lalo na kung maraming show kasi ang mga show sa garden is, it's Let's Set Sail, Duffy and Friends, Avengers Assemble, and yung si Baymax ng Exercise. So, 4 yon. So, if those 4 shows, like, you wanna make sure na mapanood mo siya ng comfortable, get the garden stage view. Really worth it. Pero kung gusto mo na masusumo kita yung dagat, ganyan. Siyempre, go with the ocean view veranda room. Kasi kami, yun yung plano namin. Yung first leg, gusto namin ocean view. And then second, since na-experience namin yung ocean, nag-garden stage kami after. Although yung first nga, hindi namin experience yung kasi hindi maumalis ng port. Okay, next would be the shops. So, on the first day, they opened at around 6:30 at super crowded niya on the first day. So, I would strongly suggest to shop at around 8:30 ng gabi. First day, nagpalo kami 6 to 8. So, after namin mag-dinner, dumiretso kami ng shops ng 8 o'clock. Sobrang dami ng tao. Pila pa din. Pagdating ng 8:30, naubos na ng lahat. Kasi like, habang namimili ako, nagulat ako, wala ng tao. Kasi, nag-dinner na sila. Pa-dinner, yung mga nasa shop nung between 6 to 8 are the people na magdi-dinner ng 8:30. So, yun, kung gusto nyo iwasan yung crowd, go with 8:30. And also, huwag kayo masyado mag-worry about stocks running out. Depende siguro sa item na gusto nyo, pero sa amin wala naman kasi kaming binili na ewan ko kung may naubos, pero like, nabili naman namin yung mga gusto namin bilhin. Yung mga wala talaga to begin with. So, hindi siya naubos na lang bigla. And also, they restock every day daw. So, make it a point to check every day kung meron kayong special item na hinahanap. So, na-realize namin na pwede naman palang pupunta ng medyo later. Nandun pa rin naman yung mga items na gusto namin. So, if you can avoid it, lalo na kung may bata kayong kasama kasi siksikan talaga, tulakan. So, lang pakialam yung mga tao, tapakan ng paalik. Hindi ko nagigets kung bakit. Ayun pa, regarding elevators, sobrang dami ng elevators. Pero for some reason, ang bagal niya. Like, kaya siya nagiging crowded kasi
Hindi lahat gumagalaw.
Oo, parang like, hindi usually, di ba, pag pumindot ka ng up or down, yung isang available, automatic may bababa na. Yung mga elevators dito, parang hindi nagre-react. Hindi ko malaman kung paano yung sistema nila sa mga elevator. Ang tagal. Nasa sobrang dami ng elevator. Siguro 10 or 12 yung elevators per deck. Kaya hindi mo in-expect na magkakaroon na magiging crowded yung mga elevators kasi sa sobrang dami. Hindi katulad ng halimbawa sa Disney Dream or sa ibang ship sa US. Konti lang yung like 6 ata. Pero dito, ang dami. 12 ang isang area. Madaming elevators. Pero parang wala. Hindi ang pa din, ang tumal niyang umandar, like bago siya mag-react 48 years. So, hindi ko alam kung ano mabibigay kong tips sa inyo about that. Pero take the stairs, yun na lang, if you can. Kami ngayon, ang dalas namin mag-stairs.
Originally, dapat gusto namin pababa lang mag-stairs. Pero, parang mas madalas pa kami mag-stairs ngayon, pataas pababa. Kahit ilang floors. Kasi naman maganda naman yung,
Pleasant naman, mas mabilis pa na mag-stairs kaysa mag-elevator.
Hindi mag-antay.
Kaysa mag-antay ka.
Tapos, magsisiksikan lang kayo.
Tapos, ayun nga, yung halong-halong amoy and all that. Ito daw yung masarap sa room service, guys, yung wonton soup. Kaso lang malamig na nung in-order, kasi kagabi pa to eh.
In-order ko yan, para sure na magkaroon kami. Kasi nga ayaw nila mag-deliver ng morning.
Hindi mo ayaw, bawal.
Bawal. Kasi sila, pag morning breakfast lang. Ang earliest ng breakfast nila is like, I think 4:30. Bumalik kami sa stateroom ng 1 a.m. So, pagdating namin, nag-order na ako. Sabi ko paka-deliver soon. So, inantay ko na siya dumating. So, in an hour, dumating naman siya. So, kanina pa siyang madaling araw.
Oh. We can go to Pixar Market at 7 a.m. Yun yung pinakaunang nagbubukas for buffet. Pero like, may mga times na tinatamad kami lumabas. So, room service is the answer. So, kung gusto mo for breakfast, you have the option to do room service or marami namang mga sit-down dining. Pero kami, favorite namin yung Pixar kasi mas wide buffet, wide yung selection, at saka siya yung pinakaunang nagbubukas. So, if you wanna avoid the crowd, 7 a.m., punta kayo ng saktong 7 a.m. para makaupo ng maaga. Kasi like by 8 o'clock, ang dami ng tao, mahirap na umupo. Siksikan na. Like, yung iba, like, kahit halimbawa, 4-seater na table, may nag-try umupo sa amin nung kahapon kasi nga puno na. Parang like, okay. Sinabi na lang namin may nakaupo pa kasi personal space. Alam mo yun, maliliit lang yung lamesa eh. So, wala silang concept ng personal space dito. So, which is medyo weird. So, ayun. Yung mga overall experience namin so far. Kagabi, yun nga, nag-try kami manood ng Devil Wears Prada, pero inantok kami. Kasi hindi namin natapos. Yung mga 30-40 minutes in, umakit na kami. Sabi, tuloy na lang namin mamaya. Pero, mabilis mapuno yung cinemas. Kung gusto nyo makaupo ng maayos, lalo na during the day, kasi kami, nanood kami 11:45 p.m. So, medyo konti na lang yung tao by then. Pero nung sinilip namin yung 11 p.m. na showing, nakaka-start lang, 11:05 kami pumasok. Pagpasok namin, wala na upuan. Kaya kami nanood 11:40 kasi 11 o'clock, punong-puno na, mga naka-standing na yung mga tao. So,
Sobrang init kasi nga masikip. Sobrang init.
So, kung gusto nyo makapwesto ng maganda sa cinema, arrive at least 30 minutes or 15 to 30 minutes earlier to make sure na makakuha kayo ng upuan. Although marami namang showings, depende sa movie. Like, usually kasi, kapag nagpunta ka, tapos saktong merong bagong palabas na movie, like in our case, Devil Wears Prada, yung pinaka-recent. So, yun yung maraming tao. So, make sure na either manood kayo ng off hours, like early morning or super late, or pumunta kayo ng maaga. So, yun, lagi silang may premiere showing kapag nataon na yung sailing mo ay may bago silang palabas. So, katulad namin, we're gonna go on a Disney Wish sa July. And sakto na showing ng Spider-Man on our first night. So, we expect na may premiere night showing din sila at that time. Kasi nung nasa Dream kami, Hoppers naman, 'di ba? Midnight showing, 11 p.m., you know? So,
night before ng actual premiere niya sa mga
cinemas.
theaters, yeah.
Ayun. San Francisco Street is open 24 hours. Nandun kami ng 11, di ba? Yung Hero Training Zone, mahaba yung pila, kahit gabi na. Kaya, kung kaya nyo, madaling araw kayo pumunta para walang tao. And you get to experience the area ng mas empty. The last one that I wanna share so far is yung fireworks, yung Lion King fireworks. Pagdating nyo, kung gusto nyo ng comfortable seating at maganda yung view nyo ng fireworks, make sure na kunin nyo yung dazzle, basta reserve seating for fireworks. And you can only do that when you go to guest services. So pagdating nyo, punta kayo agad. And
100 seats lang kasi.
100 seats lang ay available. So unahan siya. So kung maaga kayong magbo-board, mas okay kasi mas maaga kayong makakapag-reserve kasi unahan siya eh. So make sure na
Magkano ngayon?
49. It comes with a drink na either alcoholic or non-alcoholic and some desserts. So, merong chocolate-coated strawberry, may mango tart, mga ganun. If ayaw nyo magbayad or ayaw nyo mag-pay ng extra for it, kung saan kami nakaupo, right above where we were, papakita ko yung area kung saan yun. Right above kung saan kami nakaupo is open area kung saan kayo pwedeng pumwesto. Yun yung next best thing. Kung saan magandang pumwesto. Like, nakatayo. Pero like, I assume na maagang napu-full yun kasi yun yung pinakamagandang view na walang bayad. Kasi sa right above us yun eh. Don't miss that. It's really the best. Like, wala talagang sinabi yung Pirate Night. Ang ganda talaga nung Lion King show na yun. Super, medyo natiri-ay ako ng very light. Kasi ewan ko, there's something about Lion King songs na super heartwarming. Anyway, yun lang. So those are experiences, tips so far. Tapos yun namin kumain and then magpe-prep na kami meron kami Royal Gathering ng 9:30. And automatically booked for us. Yeah, avail na din namin yun. Like, wala akong plano sana mag-Royal Gathering kasi masyadong pambata eh. Gusto niya. So, sayang.
Yun.
Okay.
May, kasi may only photo package. Na parang hanggang hindi pa namin
Oo, last day na namin, pictures lang ng 4. Nakagabi lang kinunan. Like, hindi pa nga masyadong maganda eh, kasi pag nakakahaap kagabi, kinunan lang sa animators table kagabi. Tapos na namin kumain and then prep kami for Royal Gathering. So, join us on our last full day here on the Disney Adventure. Okay, we're now in line for the Royal Gathering. Look at the ceiling, guys. So nice. I love it. So, we have Princess Jasmine, Rapunzel, and Ariel. Tatlo lang yung princess nila. Sa Dream, 5 eh. Madami. Dito 3 lang. Anyway, so after this, we're gonna head directly sa taas for photo ops naman with Mickey and Minnie. So, puro meet and greets kami today for this morning. Hi!
Definitely.
Nice
to meet you.
Nice to meet you both. Oh my goodness. One of these 4 set of hands. That must be very helpful. More than a little monkey. Should we take a portrait together, friends?
Hi! Such long hair.
I know, it's very
I just cut mine here in the ship.
big.
Yeah, on the ship yesterday. So I feel like I just lost my powers.
Well, I hope not.
Thank you. Hi, nice to meet you.
I love your thingamabob.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, and you've got a wonderful
Say hi.
thingamabob too. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to go cuddle. Come and join me.
Thank you so much. You first.
Alright, thank you. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Have a good day.
I think you've got some sorcerer magic in those hands. You were here,
Do it.
and then for you it's 1 and 4.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Bye.
Hey, tapos na yung meet and greets namin with Mickey, Minnie, and the princesses. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Palo Cafe to have some brunch. Dito kami kakain. Sana may available pa na window.
Lima lang po yung... may umalis. Sige po.
Ayan, thank you. Disney Adventure Wine. Cognac. Thank you. Ito ako sa CR ng Palo, guys. Grabe, ang bango nito. Bulgari na shampoo. Ba't shampoo? Shower gel. Shampoo and shower gel. Tsaka there's a lotion. Super bango. Oh my God. Nabibili kaya to? I'm curious. Okay, so we're now seated for Palo brunch. Let's check out the menu. Pakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan natin kung anong difference sa Palo brunch sa Disney Dream. Okay. Antipasti. Hindi ko matandaan. Parang iba. Let's ask kung meron sila ulit ng grape pizza. Parang I want that. Sa inyo yung soup. Ito yung entree. So for the entree, I will get the lasagna again at saka the sirloin steak. Kasi bet ko siya. Masarapan ako dun before. So, ayan. So this is $55. You can order as many as you want. Hindi katulad ng dinner na either price fixed menu or a la carte. Dito, basically parang buffet. So, ayan siya. Okay, order lang kami. Siyempre, mimosa ulit for brunch, diba? So, pastries have been served. Ang dami niya in-explain, hindi ko naintindihan. Pero, masarap daw yan. Tapos, i-dip dito. Balsamic vinegar at saka olive oil. Okay, let's start. Ito na naman tayo. We got the antipasti selection. So, ito yung meat and cheese platter. Tapos, ito yung seafood. So, actually, same lang nga siya nung sa Dream. By the way, sobrang sarap nitong balsamic vinegar na pinrovide nila. Oh my God. Parang, so siya ilagay sa lahat ng ulam na kakainin ko. Ang sarap niya. Ang sarap. Very good. Okay, kain muna kami nito. Crush and cheese daw to. Ito yung favorite ko.
Truffle cheese.
Sarap ng cheese na to. Meron ito yung kinain din namin ng dinner nung isang araw. I'm glad I didn't cancel this. I almost canceled. Natagalan lang ako sa kung kahapon na. Okay, sinerve na yung 3 cheese omelette namin. Next up, Paul got tomato soup. Ito kumilig sa tomato soup eh. So, nag-skip ako ng soup. Kasi yung option lang tomato or celery. None of the above. Ayan, ito na yung strawberry waffles. Strawberry waffles. Press kami. Ito yung pinakamasarap na waffle dito. Masarap din naman yung waffle sa pero ayaw ko pag mas masarap to. Today, since it's our last day, ang waffles ngayon sa breakfast sa Pixar Market is the churro waffles. Pero we're not the biggest fans. Hindi ko sure bakit. Mas gusto namin yung ganyan, yung plain. Ano to? Prosciutto? Prosciutto pizza. Meat-based siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan, next in line. Inuubos ko pa yung Mickey waffles ko. Kasi ang sarap so baka maubos ko siya. Perfect.
Garlic butter on top. And
Thank
then
you.
this is the snapper.
Okay, mains has arrived. I got the steak ulit, lasagna, snapper, fish, and ano to? Rollatini.
Yeah.
Okay, nirecommend yan ng server namin, si Nicole. So, ayan. Okay. Siyempre, tagalawa kami ng entrees, di ba? Although may steak din sa rotational dining, iba talaga yung quality ng steak dito sa Palo. Kaya ewan ko, we can't recommend it enough. Like, if kaya ng budget, it's $55, unlimited. Like, higher quality food. As in, iba-iba siya. Like, kung mas nagbabakasyon na rin lang kayo, might as well spend a little extra. Or kahit libre yung food sa ship. Kung halimbawa, if you're celebrating something like birthday or anniversary, like it's a good fine dining restaurant na hindi ganun kamahal. Say, 55 lang to tapos like you can order as many as you want.
I don't like this, but I love
Let's
this.
push it to the side.
Yeah. I love this.
Alright. See, I know my food.
You do?
Perfect. And then what's the temperature of the meat? That's good?
Yeah, we're good so far. Thank you. Masarap.
Ito, curious ako parang kalabasa.
Yung mga lasa niyan kasi hindi niya nire-recommend yan, di ba? Dessert has finally arrived. I got panna cotta to try. Strawberry boba yung nasa ibabaw niyan. Tapos ito, Italian Zabalioni. Parang may fruits sa ilalim. Tapos itong sa ibabaw, parang...
Biscoff ata.
Hindi yung parang creamy something na burnt.
I don't know. Hindi na.
Parang whisked na egg.
Egg, citrus, and stuff.
Ayun yung na-recommend niya kasi wala niyan sa ibang ship. So, share kami dyan and share din kami dito. Okay.
Patong fruit salad na may meringue. Sarap.
Parang instead na whipped cream.
No, Paolo. Enchanté, allez. Enchanté is on, what do you call it, on wish class.
Ano, walang enchante
Is on
dito.
dream class.
Mike and Sully yung Asian, Mike and Sully yung Asian, So, wala silang enchante. Ang pinalit nila is yung Mike and Sully's for omakase, tsaka teppanyaki.
Take out.
Yun yung higher end nila.
Busog na ako. Talaga. That's it for me.
Sagad na po.
Ha? Mark?
Okay. We'll wrap this up. Pagkatapos namin kumain, maglalakad-lakad kami para pababain yung kalain namin. Okay, I see you guys in a bit.
And off they go. We have Freya and we have Phoebe. All right, the toy has been lobbed that anytime soon. The longest race I've ever seen is 45 minutes. Here we go. Here we go. They're just slapping the toys in their face.
Thank you.
Okay. We now have $100 worth of merchandise on that, everybody. Okay. This is turned into chaos. Okay. Alright, here we go. One red line has passed. We've got one more red line. One more red line. Three, two, one.
Raise those babies!
Go, let's
Wala
go.
na.
And that-
Tanggal na yun. O, tayo na eh.
You're out of here. Okay.
Wala.
This is incredible. This.
Walang lumalapit.
Okay. The babies are going to start racing any minute now. Mia's having a lovely time. Disqualified. That's so harsh. Okay, just have a wander. Just have a wander. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but that baby's walking. I could be wrong. Now, I'm ruling babies. We're just having a lovely time. Okay. It's
Patay.
now the next day, everybody. Did you all pack before you came? Because we're going to need to get the luggage off shortly.
Kuday.
Alright.
Kaya today, guys. Ay, look at the baby. Asan yun?
Babies, babies,
Babies, babies, babies. Diyos ko, guys.
Seriously, how long do you all have? This is a
Boss ko na muna to. Mukhang aga mamaya patay.
One eternity later.
Neil's not too happy.
Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na.
I know.
Oh my God.
Get exciting! Now it's getting exciting! Oh my goodness! Give our babies a massive round of applause, everybody!
Oh my God.
All right, everybody, 3, 2, 1.
Raise those babies!
Go!
Uy, malero mo eh. Let's go. Kaya mo yan.
Yeah, this music is perfect.
Oh my God. Ito, kulalan, balibagin yung anak niya eh.
Phoebe is currently winning, however, feels not out of the race yet. Here she comes. Phoebe sits down now.
Konti pa, konti pa.
baby Theo!
So, I'm back dito sa San Francisco Street. Sobrang dami ng tao. Dito yung meet and greet with Baymax. 5:15 pa yung schedule namin. It's only 4:49. So, hindi pa nila pinapapila yung mga 5:15 kasi it's too early. Tambay lang muna ako dito nakaupo. Hintayin ko lang si Paul dumating. After nito, we will watch the Remember show. 6 o'clock yun. Ayan si Baymax, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ito yung pila. Hindi pa open for 5:15 eh. I think 4:45 pa lang yung pinapapasok nila right now. So, ayan. Tingnan nyo yung menu dito sa Alicat Cafe. Tingnan nyo. Pag binuksan nyo yung menu, may ilaw siya. Bakit kaya dito may ilaw yung menu? Doon sa iba normal lang. Ayan yung menu nila dito. Itong game na to sa harapan ko is parang yung fruit slice na game. Yan, yung nilaro namin kagabi. Dito naman is yung parang yung bubble something, match 3 colors to pop it. So ayan. Pero ganun lang may laro dito. Hindi ko pa na-try yung iba dun kasi daming tao. Tamad ako. Ayan yung pila sa Hero Training Zone nasa dulo. Daming tao. Every time na pupunta kami dito, hindi na yan humupa. Laging puno. Grabe. I think it's 10 minutes per group eh. So, hopefully makapaglaro kami mamaya. Let's see. Ay, sinara na yung nag-break time si Baymax.
Hey.
I am Baymax.
Hi.
The tiny workstation is Wasabi. The messes are heroes. Ta-da! You have done this before.
Yes.
May I suggest a photograph?
Yes, let's go.
Smiling can increase feelings of happiness. Photo complete.
Thank you very
You are
much.
very good.
We are now back at Walt Disney Theater to see the Remember show. Ito yung highly recommended na show na don't miss daw. So, I think it's about WALL-E. Kaya sinimulan namin itong panoorin nung last day, habang nag-iintay kaming masipa sa ship, nung first cruise. Pinanood namin sa TV. Tingnan natin kung talagang maganda siya. Okay, I'll catch you guys after the show. Hi guys, so it's a couple of hours later. After nung Remember show, nag-nap ako. Nantok ako talaga. So nag-skip na kami ng dinner guys kasi hindi pa ako masyadong gutom. So nagpa-room service na lang si Paul. Tapos kumain siya sa kwarto. So ngayon, we're here sa Deck 5 to check out some last minute merch kung may kailangan bilhin. Okay? I'm going to the D Lounge. Wow, dami tao.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
This one is the Aladdin's coffee. $28. $28 yan, I think. Parang hindi, alam ko 40, hindi, 28 yan, tama. Yan lang yung, yan yun lang yung nag-isang character na coffee dito. Bumili ako ng ilan yan para sa akin, sa ate ko. At saka kay Jamie, pasalubong. Yan.
There are no words left to speak, but if you feel like I feel.
And then here at TWG, they have the Beauty and the Beast. 42 for this one.
Can't take my eyes off.
So they have the Beauty and the Beast tea na 42 yung ganito. 38 yung ganito. Bango din ito. Pero ito yung binili ko. Ayan. Ang gandang papasalubong as well. Or for you, kung may ligay sa tea, ang bango nito sobra. Yun lang.
Don't want lonely nights, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, baby, don't make me down, I pray, oh, pretty baby. Now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes on you. You feel like heaven to touch, and I wanna hold you so much. As long as love's right, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Okay guys, tapos na kaming merch shopping. Bumili ako sa D-Lounge ng drink kasi may gusto ko yung tumbler nila, yung sparkling tumbler. $20 lang. So bumili ako. So mabalik na kami sa room para mag-empake because pauwi na tomorrow. Wala silang Serial Soon show dito, ang sad. Meron silang Serial Soon para sa Vibe and Edge, lang mga teenagers. Pero yung for everybody, wala. So, yun. Anyway, balik na kami sa room. Papahinga lang, mag-empake. Look guys, bigay ng state room host namin. It's the Kill Coin na nakabili na ako actually. Pero syempre, hindi tayo tatanggi sa libre. So basically, this is the same Kill Coin, pero may ano siya. Ito yung maiden voyage. So, teka, buksan natin. Ito siya guys. So, meron siyang stand. For maiden voyage to, binibigay. Siguro marami silang sobra. So, binigyan niya kami. Merong mga iba din na binigyan daw, sabi sa WhatsApp na. Pero hindi daw lahat. Depende siguro sa state room host. So, nabigyan kami. Thank you so much. Siguro, di-display namin ito sa bahay. Ganyan siya. Ayan. Bumili na ako nito. Yung iyan mismo. 55 ata yan. Tama ba? So, ayan. Ganda. Kahit na wala kami ng maiden voyage. Why not? Diba? Thank you so much sa aming state room host. Hindi siya ganun ka perky and friendly. Pero mabait naman siya. So, ayan. Yan. And then, ito na yung ship model na binili namin that is signed by the captain. Pakita ko sa inyo. Open ko lang. Wait. Ito yung... So, ayan. Kita ba? Parang hindi ko sure kung nababasa. Dapat ko na lang. Ayan. Disney Adventure. Okay. Si captain nagkamali ng date. It should be 11 to 14th of May. Pero inayaan na namin. Ayan, si Captain Wesley. Ayan. Tapos ito yung signature. Pagod na daw, sabi. So, ayan. So, maganda siyang pang display. It's a keepsake kasi may perma. So, ngayon, kailangan ba natin bumalik ng Disney Dream para makabili ka ng ganito? Kasi matagal na niyang gusto to, pinipigilan ko lang siya. Kasi parang, pag dinisplay mo siya, parang hindi siya masyadong aesthetic. Hindi katulad ng Atrium statue. Mas aesthetic siyang tignan. Naengganyo kami kasi nga pipirmahan daw ng captain. So, kaya bumili kami. So,
Favorite captain.
ayan. Favorite natin kahit sinipa tayo. First cruise. Anyway, ayan. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo. It's already 10:40 p.m. Dito ko na siguro tatapusin tong last day vlog namin. This has been a really great experience. Bitin, kasi nga 3 nights lang. It was a fun experience. Ang daming bagong experiences dito na you can't get anywhere else. Wala sa ibang ship. So, nag-enjoy naman kami. Pero to be completely transparent, mas bet pa din talaga namin yung US ships. Because of like yung mga kung ano yung mga activities na meron, yung mas gusto namin yung mga ganap doon. Dito kasi walang adult spaces. Although hindi naman namin na-maximize yung adult spaces sa Dream dati, pero dito kasi it's really crowded everywhere. Tapos so super init, syempre yung weather din. Hindi comfortable gumala-gala. So balik kami ng balik sa room para matulog, umidlip, ganun. But overall okay pa din naman. Masaya naman na experience. I'm glad that we went here for my birthday. I'm excited for the next couple of trips that we have. So, abangan nyo yung mga succeeding Disney cruise trips namin kasi meron pa kaming lined up for the rest of the year. So, if you're interested in anything Disney cruise related, please make sure to subscribe para ma-notify kayo if may bago kaming upload. Pero, for now, dito ka na muna tatapusin tong Disney Adventure series namin. Make sure to comment your favorite ship on any of the Disney Adventure vlogs to get a chance to win the tote bag that I'm giving away. Kasi extra ko yon na tote bag kasi I got 2. I figured I'm gonna raffle it off to anyone who wants it. So just comment down below and I'll pick a winner in the next couple weeks. I'll announce it sa Disney Wish vlog ko. Doon ko siya i-announce. Okay? Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!
Much later.
Hey guys! Welcome to my training zone. If you want to become heroes, you've got to train together. Right, Baymax?
Affirmative, hero. Training is an important step in optimizing heroic potential.
I've designed this training zone to test 3 skills: memory, agility, and teamwork. Pick a color marker on the floor and make sure to remember your color. Okay,
Pick a color na.
let's test your memory. Follow the illuminated path back and forth as many times as you can.
Diyan ka, sa pink.
Here's the catch. The path will disappear after your first step. So memorize it quickly. Alright, everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Turn around and go again! Good job!
Seconds remaining. Memory challenge complete. Green has won.
Next, let's test your agility. Catch as many white dots as you can, and stay away from those red ones. Take your starting positions. Ready, Baymax?
3, 2, 1. Begin challenge.
Catch as many white dots as you can. Watch out for those red dots. Watch out, it's about to rotate.
Rotation in progress.
Heads up, it's about to rotate. Come on, only 10 seconds left.
Agility challenge complete. Green has won.
Final test. Teamwork.
Yan na.
Split into 2 groups to control your paddle and protect your side. Starting positions, everyone. Engage teamwork protocols in 3, 2, 1. Begin.
Camera kasi.
That's a power-up. Hit it with the ball to grab it. Pedal size increased. Oh boy. Grab that power-up. Way to go. Oh no! Keep it up, team! Ball transformed. Epic! Wow! Come on! Only 10 seconds left! Teamwork challenge complete. That was epic! You guys were amazing! Baymax, I think you're ready. Let's upgrade these new heroes. Upgrading in 3, 2, 1. Upgrade complete. Great work, team. Now get out there and put those hero skills to good use. See you next time.
Nalagtag yung medallions. Ano yung tsura ng medallion? Ah, Disney Adventure Coin. Is this the... Ito yung mga designs. $6 each.
Wala.
Wait, tumatawid ka!
Ay, ikaw rin. Ayan.